What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dub, and I'm back for another video. And listen, it's Hat Dub. Hat Dub is back in the facility, and it's not by my liking because I don't want to wear hats. If you haven't been following my channel these last 2 weeks, I had a set of hair, a very, very unique, cute, just out of this world, immaculate set of hair, and it was destroyed. So I have been getting revenge on everybody that had something to do with my hair. Today, I gotta get Brittany back. So my mom, easy. Mom, can you watch Woo Wop for a second? I wanted to take Brittany out to eat. Go to the gun range. Let's do all that. Perfect. Woo Wop is gone. So today I'm gotta get Brittany back for burning my hair. It's the craziest video ever. I got this video from my homie Say. Make sure you go subscribe to him. Say No Limit on YouTube. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So I don't even want to talk about it. Let's really just get into it. I'm gonna set this GoPro right over here, right behind here. And you see how it blends in with the interior? She'll never know nothing. In front of our place right now, I'm just waiting on Brittany to come downstairs. She won't suspect nothing. This is the greatest prank ever. She's gonna be terrified. Don't ever prank me. Ever. Damn, show me what this. I wonder what he doing.
He probably sleep. He woke up early.
You got change on you for the bank, for the gas?
Change for what?
You need like at least 40.
Oh no, I don't got no dollars on me. All I got is my card.
So all you got is your car?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go. Just use my card. All right.
All right.
Be right back.
Why? What the world? It's since I got these.
Go ahead. Bet, let's see.
Come on, yeah. What is your? Who is y'all?
You want this motherfucking money?
What do you mean?
Go there,
I don't have no money.
Where the money at?
I don't have no money.
How you start this
I want
shit?
some money.
Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video, bro. It ain't real, all right? She ain't getting robbed for real.
I don't have no money for you.
Check the purse. We
You
out
can
this
quit.
bitch.
It's not no money in there, so y'all is out of luck.
Bitch,
Y'all
you about to
robbed
run
the
this
wrong
motherfucking
person.
money.
Y'all better
Where
keep
the
this
ATM?
card.
Where your ATM?
I don't got no ATM.
So I'm just in here buying stuff. Hopefully it go all right. I got a GoPro in my car, so she don't even know it's a camera. So hopefully it go good.
I want that motherfucking money. Where is
I
that?
don't have no money.
Yes, you do got the money.
You, I don't have any money.
You about to go to the bank right now. Where's
I
the
don't
motherfucking
have
money
a
at?
bank.
Bitch, the bank that you got the money.
No, I don't. I'm
You
saying
his
I have
fiance.
mine. My boyfriend
What's
has
this you
all
got?
the money.
You're drunk, man. You never know.
You should have robbed him. He got a
Check her purse, man. See if she got some
watch out.
ATM.
I don't have no ATM card or
Man,
no
if you don't
money.
give me this money, I promise you.
I keep telling you.
Fuck it, we got this car. We got you. We gonna do a ransom on your ass. What the fuck is you doing?
Why do you keep? I don't have an ATM. How many times do I have to say that? Y'all don't understand. Y'all, I see y'all didn't finish school. Clearly, y'all robbing people.
What school got to do with me robbing you?
Because you keep talking about a damn ATM card. If I say I'm a stay-at-home mom, I don't have no money. You should have robbed my boyfriend.
Check her purse, see if she got the motherfucking card.
Give me my purse. Give me my purse.
Get
Get your hands exactly. So y'all better keep this card.
You can sell the phone.
As y'all can see, my car is gone.
Call your man.
Give me the.
What purse is this? Bitch, you better call your man. If I hear you say the police, I promise you I'm gonna kick your ass. Call him.
Gosh, this is so ghetto.
Hello?
Where are you at? These people is taking his car and trying to rob me, and he keep putting his damn hands on me. Where's
Give me the money. That's Dub.
Why are you keep spitting?
That's Dub.
I thought you took my car. Where's you at? What you mean?
Dub.
These people just jumped in the car and just pulled off. Now they keep putting their hands on me, talking about some money and holding me for ransom. Where's you at?
I'm at 7-Eleven. Where's you at?
I don't even know where I'm at.
We about to go to the motherfucking bank. That's where she at, nigga. Where the
I have
motherfucker?
a bank card.
Bitch, I'll kill you, ho. You better.
Do I keep having to tell you I don't?
I know you prank.
I'm not pranking you. I thought you was going in to get gas. What is you doing? How do you let somebody come get me?
I don't see you. I don't see you.
Because I got the car, nigga.
Bro, what do you want? What do you want?
I want that money. Whatever cash you got. I seen that watch when I see you walk in the motherfucking gas station.
She got money. She got money in her purse. Take her bag, bro. No, I got.
Are you serious? You have more money than me. You the one that give me my money. You have the nerve to tell somebody to take some money from me? I don't have no money for you, son.
I wonder if she called the police or something. My car is gone. I know she's scared. Don't prank me. Ever.
Y'all play too motherfucking much games.
I don't have no money, so you just gonna hold a broke person ransom.
Y'all ain't broke.
I'm broke.
Y'all far from broke.
That's not my husband. That's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend, but y'all been together. Common law. Y'all been together for 8 years, 20 years or some shit. I don't give a fuck. Y'all better run that cash.
I don't have no cash. So what you want, this Apple Watch or something?
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
You can have it. But I ain't got no money for you.
Bitch, I don't want this goddamn watch. Shit only worth $200.
Sir. Why do you keep calling me a bitch? That's the real question.
Because you got all the money.
I don't have no fucking money for you. Is you dumb, slow, or retarded? I don't have no money.
Bitch, I'm all three, but I'm done when it comes to that cash.
Money. Maybe if you had a job, you wouldn't be trying to rob people.
All right, at this point, it's cold as hell out here.
Man, I promise you, I ain't do this shit for free. I need some out of you. Come on, let us see your purse.
I don't have nothing to give you but coins.
I know you got some cash in there.
Wait, no, look, you trying to rob me, you about to hit people. I can give you my bank card, I can easily cancel it too as well, so.
How about if I take your ass to the bank? You can't cancel shit.
Listen, sir, I'm not taking no money out of my ATM for you. I don't know what you thought this was or who you tried to jack, but I ain't that dumb. So you might want to pull back up to 7-Eleven and get what you can get from my boyfriend because I ain't got nothing for you.
You's a little stubborn motherfucker too, ain't you?
You should have knew who you was robbing before you just get to jumping in people's cars.
I should kick your ass out this.
I should just call the police. Let my bag go. You don't even have no money, so you don't have $1,500 to replace it.
I'm gonna have some money when I rob your ass.
You ain't got nothing to rob.
Oh, that costs $1,500? Thank you for telling me. We'll sell that shit.
If it's real.
You just said it's $1,500.
You can buy a knockoff bag for $1,500 as well.
Well, we gonna knock that off for about what we get about $1,000
Okay,
out
can
that
you
shit?
hurry up? Because you're trying to rob the wrong person. You're getting on my nerves.
Don't
Don't touch me. What's wrong with y'all?
I need to get back to my car, so they need to hurry up.
Man, no, this bullshit. I'm just bullshit. This me.
Why would y'all try to be playing like that? I'm about to slap the shit out of Dejan when we pull up too. So why did he set me up for you to do
He
this?
said something about y'all burning his motherfucking ass.
He did all of this over some fake synthetic. Where is he at? I can't wait to see him.
Oh, you can push, but okay.
He in here.
There you go, right there.
So you set me up. You set me up to be robbed over some hair. You serious?
So the lady that was beside us on the other side of the pump, she called the police. We just told her it was a YouTube video. I showed her a little clip or whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I had to tell her like Brittany was in no harm. Brittany was very mad at me. Got some of it on my phone. But anyways, everyone is at my mom's house. I just want to see if anybody's mad at me. Hopefully they are, so fingers crossed. Damn, mama door never unlocked. So y'all play Monopoly without me?
Yeah. You thought we was gonna fight you?
Yes.
You never thought we was gonna fight you. Why would you do what you did? What if they would have went to jail?
She burned my wig.
It don't matter.
But you don't do nothing like
You
that.
don't set nobody up for no dang on robbery. Then when I called you, you talking about some
What if somebody
people.
would have seen that and called the police?
Right, what if we would have got pulled over?
Why would you even agree to that?
I ain't gonna lie, that was funny.
Why would you agree? That's his fault. It's a grown man.
Why would you ask?
This is a grown man.
It's not about him agreeing to it. Why would you ask?
I wanted to see the wig for real. They burnt that bitch, so it was
What?
funny.
That wasn't funny.
All right, whatever, I guess.